Hello everyone. The Senzo Meyiwa murder trial will continue on November 14, and Zandi Khumalo is likely to take the stand. She was one of the people who was present in the house that night when Senzo was killed. Advocate Sobane revealed that Zandi allegedly had an affair with Senzo Meyiwa, who was dating her sister then, Kelly Khumalo. Zandile shared the news on her Instagram page and posted an image of her happy and the baby and captioned, "The best dad in my world, the one who makes things happen but doesn't ever mind the behind the scenes role. My Mr. Calm, my don't worry baby, it will work out. Yesterday I said to him, Brigada so and so called and they wanna come to the house on Thursday and consult with me cause they want me to go and testify on the Senzo Meyiwa case." He calmly said, "Abaze phela," and suddenly I was at peace. Thank you Myeni wami for everything. You are really my source of strength. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.